Welcome viewers, welcome to our Crochet tutorial. Today we shall be crafting a gorgeous green necklace that's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any outfit. Follow along as we guide you through each step from selecting the yarn to finishing touches. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this project is sure to inspire you. To start, gather your materials: green yarn, crochet hook, scissors, and a clasp. Choose a shade of green that complements your style and wardrobe. Begin by making a slip knot and chaining the desired length for your necklace. Once you have your foundation chain, work single crochet stitches across. Continue crocheting rows until your piece reaches the desired thickness. Remember to periodically check the length against your neck for a perfect fit. After reaching the desired length, fasten off the yarn and weave in any loose ends. Once the clasp is attached, your necklace is almost complete. Take a moment to admire your work before adding any embellishments. Consider adding beads, buttons, or charms for a personalized touch. Thread the embellishments onto the yarn and secure them in place with stitches. Once you are satisfied with the embellishments, your neckline, show off your creation with pride and share your crochet journey with others. Feel free to customize the design to suit your preferences and style. You can create variations using different yarn colors or stitch patterns. Don't be afraid to get creative and make it uniquely yours. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep honoring your crochet skills. If you are new to crochet, don't worry. Thanks for watching this tutorial.